Jury selection begins today in the trial of convicted school shooter Nikolas Cruz. Cruz killed 17 people at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida back in 2018. NBC News Now correspondent Priscilla Thompson is following this story for us today. She joins us now. Priscilla, walk us through what's happening in court today and what exactly this jury will ultimately be deciding.
Yeah, Aaron, more than 4 years after that deadly mass shooting, the court is beginning the penalty phase of the trial to determine whether the gunman Nikolas Cruz will receive the death penalty or life in prison without parole. And so that is the process that's beginning today after several delays due to requests for more time to prepare by both sides. And as a reminder, Cruz pled guilty to 17 counts of first-degree murder in October of last year.
And Priscilla, the defense here is trying to find an impartial jury, obviously. If that becomes too difficult to do there in Broward County, what options are available to them at that point? What's the risk that they're looking at, too?
Well, this is shaping up to be quite a search for that very reason. Aaron, my producer on the ground tells me more than 1,000 potential jurors are available for all the cases on the docket at the Broward County Courthouse, with prosecutors and the defense in the Cruz case hoping to interview at least 40 of those potential jurors today. And that huge jury pool is needed for the very reason that you mentioned, because everyone knows about this case, and this is going to help to ensure that it remains in Broward County. And the two key questions that all of those jurors are going to be asked today is if they can set aside what they've seen in the media and whether they could impose the death penalty. And as a reminder, if no unanimous decision is reached, Cruz will end up with life in prison.
Do we have any handle on the timeline here, Priscilla? How long can we expect this trial to last?
Yeah, so they are working to seat 12 jurors and 20 alternates before deliberations and sentencing can begin. And there are a number of holidays this month and when the court will not be in session. So between jury selection and the actual deliberations, the judge has laid out a schedule that is expected to go through the end of May and potentially, through the end of April and potentially into May.
All right, Priscilla Thompson for us today. Priscilla, thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.